What's up, bros and ghouls? Today I'm doing a makeup tutorial for The Walking Dead's antagonist, former AMC bad boy, owner of Lucille, and leader of the Saviors, Negan. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. For a list of products used in this tutorial, check out the video description below. Start by cleaning and moisturizing your face. Next, begin applying the foundation. I used Ben Nye Natural Fair and applied it using my finger. If you want a more weathered look, I would start with Ben Nye Olive Tan. Apply the foundation with a makeup sponge or your finger. Distribute the makeup evenly over the entire face, up to the hairline and out to the ears. Using a flat brush, apply the cream highlight along the lower part of your eye and blend out into the foundation with your finger or a makeup sponge. Continue these highlights on the bridge of the nose, nostrils, and above the eyebrows, blending into the foundation. Add a small highlight along the top lip. Raise your eyebrows, accentuating any creases in your forehead. Use this as a guide for the high points of the cream highlight. Stipple the highlights onto the skin surface and blend or soften as needed. This makeup for me was essentially a subtle aging process, where I aimed to put on 15 or 20 years. Purse your lips and stipple a cream highlight as well. Now apply a cream shadow to the corner of the lower eyelid, pulling outward. I used Ben Nye Creme Shadow and applied it with a small flat brush. Scrunch your face and apply the same shadow along the inner portions. Blend out these areas with a makeup sponge as needed. I started at the outer corner of the eye and swept the shadow out toward my ears. Fill in the creases between the brows and above the bridge of the nose. Follow the contour of the nostrils and blend out into the face. Raise your eyebrows to accentuate any forehead wrinkles, and follow the low points with the shadow as well. Once the desired aged or weathered effects are achieved, apply facial hair or color as needed. I stippled on Mehron white with a makeup sponge across the surface of my beard stubble. Negan has some solid salt and pepper in the early appearances, but is more or less full salt by the end of the series. I also applied the same makeup starting at the hairline and pulling back following the direction of hair growth. I found that water-activated makeup worked well enough for this process. Your look is complete. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more looks like this.